everyone, how are you doing? Today we will be making a simple recipe that I hope you guys will love it, and we will just be using our air fryer, and you don't need to buy like a whole bunch of ingredients just to make this. So let's go guys, we will show you how to make it. Hello everyone, today we will be making bacon with noodles using our air fryer. So let's cook this new recipe. First thing we do is we'll have to boil water so that we can put our noodles there. And if the water is boiling now, we can put we're using the Maggi. It's a 2 minutes noodles. So we will just use 2 noodles here, and 1 and 2 noodles. After 2 minutes, we'll just have to get rid of the water. We can drain the water so that the noodles won't be cooking too long. There you go. And we'll just set this aside for the meantime. So today we will start the process of making this simple recipe. So first we'll use a bacon. So I'm using a 500 grams. This is uncooked bacon and it's naturally smoked. So let's open this. This is the bacon. Wow, and this is our noodles. So we'll take one. Because if you need 1 or 2, it depends on what you want. And take a little bit of noodles. Let's see. This one is fine. Then you just put it in there. So after we put the noodles in here, we try to roll it, or it depends on what type you want, like you roll it but first we'll just try this, like you just roll like this, roll the bacon, and then put it on the side like that. And then we'll do 1 more. And okay, these noodles, I didn't put any seasoning because I know this bacon, it has there's I think enough salt to give it a good taste for our noodles. Simple, just like this. Wrap. Go. This is how it looks like. See? This is the finished recipe that we made. I just rolled a bacon together with the noodles, and after this we are going to use our air fryer. So after we preheat the air fryer at 360 degrees on a 10 minutes, then we are ready to put our noodles roll. Okay. Gotta watch out because it's... After we put our rice roll, We'll put it back, and then we will cook it for 10 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, we need to flip our noodles roll so that the other side will also be cooked. Like that. After we flip, we'll do the last 5 minutes left. Okay, after 10 minutes, our noodles roll is ready. So let's put it on our platter. It's also good to add garnish so it looks appetizing, right? Like that, guys.